Incremental routines. So let's say that you are fed up with Supermemo, you want to move on. I hope that doesn't happen. But even if that's the case, or perhaps you now have Supermemo 19 and you want to get rid of an older version, I hope that is the case, you may want to uninstall Supermemo. How you do it? You'll need to go to the C drive, assuming that's where Supermemo is, because you could have customized the directory. And you need to run this sm19 unin for uninstall. It's funny that they have the 18, because here Supermemo first was the 18, and then on top of that I installed 19. So I have those as well. So first, do a backup. Remember that systems. Here you may have your collections. Not necessarily, because you can have those on your documents on some other places. But make sure you have a backup of your collection. Then you just double click, running down install. From where? Supermemo. In my case I have more, by the way, because I have more versions. Okay. Uninstalling, do you see that? But hey, not everything is gone. Weekly details. Pah. Okay. For maximum safety, Supermemo uninstall wizard has not removed some of the files that you may still need. This particularly relates to Supermemo collections. They will need to be removed manually. Would you like to remove them now? Yes, please. Because I have backups. But hey, that doesn't remove them. Yet. I have to do it myself. So inside plans, blank. Okay. Sleep. This is if you lock your sleep. If you don't care about that. Phonetic. That's for the phonetic pair registries for the Advanced English Collection. I could install this at any time. Bin. Oh yeah, for instance, I have this layout of mine on my YouTube. Okay, let me sort. Let me move this one, and this one. Nice, just in case. Backup, I don't use the original backup myself. It's empty. So now it's just the most important systems, which include collections. In my case, I have the Advanced English and the ABCs. So nothing that I care. So what I could do, I select everything and I get rid of this. Keep in mind, this is not required. So in my case, because it's the ABC collection and the Advanced English collection that I used for purposes of the videos, not for my genuine use. So in your case, you will most likely will have one collection, and that will be it. Now, theoretically, if I click again, it says, hey, that doesn't exist. So that's how you uninstall Supermemo. If it's the case that you move to Supermemo, you move to somewhere else, you first want to export your collection. So you migrate to Anki, Remnote, or whatever that may be. But that's for another video. That's how you can uninstall Supermemo. That will be all. See you incrementally.